Now let's check out cabin 9067. This one here is a category A2. It's a concierge level veranda stateroom, so you get access to that spa area at the front of the ship, which I mentioned before. And what they're aiming for here is a bit of a French feel, because concierge being a French word, they're trying to lean in on that French influence. This particular cabin can accommodate up to 2 guests. Here we can see some of the drinks on this little shelf here. Very large, comfortable looking bed. Bedside tables with 3 drawers, so plenty of storage. Got the TV in front of the bed. We've got the mirror over there, over the desk. Behind me here, you've got the wardrobe. Heading around, we're going to take a look at the balcony. But look, I figured out how to open the doors. That's always good. You can see overseas passenger terminal there. About 2 seats and a coffee table for that balcony. Here we've got the shower. Again, it's a decent sized shower recess. Hello Shane, good to see you, mate. Got a decent size sink there as well. Plenty of hanging space. Got this cabinet at the back too, which I found interesting. Plenty of storage for all your toiletry needs. Beautiful cabin. Looks very comfortable, very inviting, quite stylish. I would certainly be happy to travel in this one. But you, tell me, what about you? Would you be happy with this suite if you were cruising?